Pickup time here at Unique, especially in classics. Take a look at this lifted truck, 1982 Chevrolet K10 Silverado, regular cab, long box, silver and gray two-tone. Crate 350 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Go ahead and take a look at the front grille, obviously been replaced since factory. Chrome headlight surrounds. This truck does show well. Nice one for any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. One thing I do want to mention is take a look at the still pictures. You're going to see it with the side windows rolled up. They are tinted, as well as that front windshield. Make sure you know your local and state laws on window tint percentages and what can and can't be tinted. Now, those still pictures, if you want to check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished aluminum wheels. You can see this truck's nice and straight. It has had nice restoration work done to it. Paint, again, does show well. Chrome fender lips. Running boards. Little touch up, one little spot over here I noticed, but a very nice job. You can hardly see it. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior. It is a black cloth interior. Spray and bed liner. And again, you'll be able to see this truck from every angle, top to bottom. Engine bay, bed of it, on our website. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear of this. Good looking rear bumper. Again, 1982 model year. K10. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You want to see the underside of this so you get an idea what the suspension and the lift and everything looks like. Newer exhaust on it. And up and down the driver's side, you can also see nice and straight it is. Good the paint looks. All right, let's check out this interior a little better. Door panels all look good. You'll be able to see the undersides of the doors in the still pictures also. Seats are free of rips, tears, or holes. Also show well. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, crate 350. I'm going to reach up in and start this up. Actually, we can get in here one-handed. All right. Fasten seatbelt right there. Quite shortly. Now, you do see the mat, dash mat. You can see underneath it in the still pictures, it's not cracked. They're not covering anything up. It's been there, protect the dash. Pioneer aftermarket radio is working. Wipers work. Again, AC blows cold. And you do have some light tint in that front windshield. Remember that. And the side windows. You can see how easily that started. Sounds good. Hey, how about that? Long time since you've seen one of those gun rack. As well as sliding rear window. Slip around in the back so you hear this run. Good sounding truck. Also, this one will turn some heads. The way it looks and the way it sounds. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take a couple hands. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. And we'll wrap.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's the engine bay. First off, AC, you can see it's been converted. Not R12, it's 134. There's that crate. GM engine, 350, Holley 4-barrel on there, HEI ignition, power brakes, looks like a newer compressor on there, power steering, Looks good and sounds good. 1982 Chevrolet K10 Silverado. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.